in the ear.
Welcome guys, it's Matt with BleepinJeep and
his wife.
You're supposed to say, this is Hope with BleepinJeep.
This is Hope with BleepinJeep.
We're on an Overland expedition adventure in the FC. Come with us, this is going to be awesome. So the plan is we're going to go to North Georgia, and we're driving this thing from East Tennessee down to North Georgia. It is really heavy. Hope's got about 8,000 pounds worth of crap in the back there. One of the biggest questions I get is how does it drive? Like a big old log wagon. You make a turn, you're turning from right, like behind your butt. But going downhill is really crazy because you're in front of the axle, you're lower than the axle. But yeah, you'll get to experience all that with us. Let's do it, let's hit the road. I think we should eat good. So we have like lobster tail,
I don't know about
crab
that.
legs.
What do you think you're traveling with? I'm not spending that much cash on crab legs and lobster tail.
Check out how much crap is in here. There's just an abundance of crap. We're not used to this overlanding stuff yet.
You're a weirdo.
What's on the menu? Steak, hamburger, and ham steak.
Sorry. Don't use this.
Travel with one hand.
No, not with one hand.
In your face.
I got it. Shut up, Matt. Don't like you.
Can you just become Amish? That's the question I have.
No, you can't just become
You can't just become Amish?
No way.
You have to be born into Amishness? I guess I'll keep making YouTube videos then.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Woo! So we just got directions. You're
A local passed me right there and he's like, where are you headed? I said, Mill Creek Road. He said, oh, watch out for bears up there. Watch out for bears. I thought he said fires, but his grandma got mauled to death by a bear right here.
So, your wife is looking super forward to this trail.
Watch out for them bears, sonny.
So, in all this crap, do we have bear spray?
I hope so. Did you bring it?
Yeah, I brought it because I brought all this crap that you keep complaining about. You big brat.
Somehow I don't think that's right. It says we've traveled 72 miles and gained an elevation 23,000 feet. Seems a little high to me. Are we climbing Mount Everest? Hey,
I'm not angry. You're such a turd. Ooh, hot dog.
it's just a regular hot dog.
It's delicious. You put yours on top like a hooligan.
Okay, I'm gonna see how delicious this Nathan's hot dog is. It's a hot dog.
It tastes good. It's better than most hot dogs.
So the Murray's Lake looks to be closed, but we're gonna go to Lake Conasauga. But we're not there yet, but still, look at this view. It's awesome. We've been climbing since we left, and we're way up here now. It's quiet, except for the bears. You can hear the bears munching on bones out there. Alright, we found us a spot that's a little less crowded. It's still a camping area, but there's nobody over here. And there's a hiking trail right here, so we're gonna camp here for the night and take this hiking trail and see where it goes. So We've never set up this tent before, and it's really high up there, so are you ready for that?
I guess I'm gonna have to be.
I'm just hoping that the ladder is long enough, because yeah, check that out. That's a good 7.5, 8 foot high up there. You like heights, right?
No, actually I don't.
The canvas is cool and all, but it kind of hinders you from getting any of the objects out of here unless you go from the back. And you can still step here, but there's nothing really to grab onto. So the canvas makes it look awesome, but it's kind of, is that a word? Hindersome?
I don't know. There he goes. Oh my goodness.
Just don't get out of here in the middle of the night and forget where you are.
What?
Because that's a long way down.
Stop videoing me. It's kind of high. It's cool.
So I was over there paying our fee, and a car pulls up, and it's like SWAT team. They've got their Kevlar on and all that stuff, and they hand me a picture and said, "Have you seen this man?
What?
There's somebody on the loose out here."
Shut up. Are you serious?
Seriously.
Oh crap. With bears and I don't even know what it is. What did he do?
I didn't ask, but bounty hunters are looking for him. So he's on the loose out here somewhere.
You get me in the weirdest, stickiest situations, I swear.
Closed to vehicles. Everything is closed to vehicles.
Which is a shame because you love vehiculars.
I know.
Hey Matt,
Yeah.
what's your favorite drink to drink on the trail?
Well, I'm glad you asked. It's got 23 flavors. Delicious.
Yay, nothing like a little dehydration while you're walking.
You think those would be good for eating?
Why don't you give him a shot, baby? That's yuck yuck. Look at all those legs. Blech.
It's opening up. We've been walking for 85 miles.
And 61,000 feet elevation?
Yeah, we've gained 61,000 feet according to my All Trails data. What is this? By the time we get up there, we'll have gained 120,000 foot elevation. We're way up high up here, but you can't see anything because we're surrounded by trees.
As high as we can go. I'm pretty sure we've walked up forever.
Otherwise, we'd be able to see for miles, so the only way to do that is to get up here.
Yikes.
Well, that's not fun. Everything's closed. Oh, but look at this. Are you freaking out?
A little bit.
Look at that. There's a padlock. We need to call the locksmith lawyer.
Is that right?
Yeah. Lock-picking lawyer. There's a town or something over there. You okay? You don't like it? This is as good as it gets, folks. We hiked 82 miles for this. And now this is all we get. This is what overlanding's all about.
Yeah. Just making it halfway.
Hiking and camping and sightseeing.
Shut up.
She's freaking out. You're only 30 feet up. Come on.
Oh my gosh, don't say that.
You got this. We're gonna have overlanding lights. Oh, and I can stick that anywhere. The whole thing's made out of metal. So here's the trick to overlanding, if you guys don't know. You buy Chinese toilet paper, and it doesn't have a hole in the middle, so it's much easier to carry around. Where do you get that?
Amazon.
Amazon. What do you search for? Chinese toilet paper?
No.
That. Search for that. This has been Cooking with BleepinJeep. Our next episode. What are we cooking on our next episode?
Steak.
Steak.
Howdy. Welcome to a nice, bright, sunshiny day.
So we're going down a really steep hill. So if I tell you to bail, take off your seatbelt, open the door, and bail, okay?
How do you know how to bail? You just jump out.
You
Far.
gotta make sure to not hit the back tire. Get run over by the back tire.
Well, thanks for the input. I appreciate that.
Tuck
And
and
tuck and roll. Absolutely.
roll. Don't hit a tree.
You're so weird.
Last night we froze our butts off.
Froze our butts off.
It was cold, cold.
I feel like that's going to be a constant thing that we are always dealing with every time we camp, is we are always going to be cold.
We had a propane heater, but I was afraid it was going to melt the tent, because the tent was getting real hot at the top. So eventually I got some foil and put foil up on the top. We should have showed them that.
I told you to take a picture.
We're driving around trying to find some place to do some four-wheeling. Mostly it's just gravel roads, but we did find this bridge. So if you happen to be out here, look for this big giant galvanized bridge. It looks pretty new. And we just scouted out a little ways up ahead and it gets narrower and less gravelly. So let's go check that out and see what's down that way. It's called Rocky Flats OHV Trail. So we'll see if it's actually rocky or not. But first we eat. When we first started, we just had these totes just all in here. And you'd have to pull them all out to get to the one in back. But since then, we've been trying to figure out how all this works, and my solution now has been to move all of the totes over onto one side, and there's a hallway right here now. So if you need to get into any of the totes, you can just jump up into this hallway and get into your totes pretty quick and simple. Coolers are on the back, food stuff. Most of the stuff that we need quickly is on the back there, and then out of the side comes this water jug and another food cooler there, and toilet paper. All the necessities are closer to the doors. This ragtop canvas is really cool, but it kind of limits you on getting access to all of your supplies in there. And I know a lot of you are saying just unbungee it real quick. It's not that simple. That thing's really tight, and it took me hours to get that thing in there. Plus I have metal pieces here to keep the flap down from the wind when it's on the highway, and then it's bolted at the top up there. You could, fold this back off, but then it's actually also rolled around the back here, so it would be a lot more difficult to get it off than you would imagine.
I threw up a little bit in my mouth. That made a lot of noise. Ow! Ow! I get whipped in the ear.
Okay, Hope's gonna drive. This is gonna be interesting.
You're a turd.
Gas is on the right, brake is on the left.
It just is weird looking. Okay, that neutral. Go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Stop saying
Uh-oh.
Stop it. Your turn.
Oh no.
You're a turd. There's not a bar for you to hold on to?
I got my bar. It's up here.
Yeah, that's gonna work for you. Just keep holding that. Let's see how you like that.
I can hang on up here.
No. That's not where you put the bar. So you
Honey.
what? What?
Calmness.
Hey, this is fun.
I feel closer to this over here.
Yeah, I think it's there's something different on that side for sure. Going too slow?
You want to play with the dangly balls?
That is so wrong.
You're driving off the road.
Because you're talking about dangly balls. It's hard for me to concentrate.
Uh-oh. It's getting narrower and narrower the further we go here.
I don't think we're going to make that. Really don't think we're going to make that.
You don't think we're going to make that?
No. Do we cut it down?
See if we can lift it.
Lift it? Are you nuts? How am I supposed to do that?
Alright, so if you do this trail, this is where it ends. It's not the hardest of trails. In fact, there's a stock Dodge truck over here. If you find yourself out here wanting to do that one, this is where it ends, and we're going to continue looking for more trails. I don't even know why they would make a trail out here, just dead ends right here, but maybe they have plans for it in the future. Anyway, if you like this video, check out these because they're even better, I promise. We'll see you next time.